Today, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to make a WordPress page visible to only logged-in users, but with an important caveat you'll want to understand before using this method. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to set up a private page using WordPress's built-in visibility settings. And you'll have a clear picture of both where this technique shines and where it's limited, so you can decide if it's the right fit for your site. Let's jump right in. Suppose you have a page on your WordPress site, maybe an internal resource, a special announcement, or content meant for your team or members only. The fastest way to make it private is using the built-in visibility setting. Here's how you do it. First, head over to your WordPress dashboard and open the page you want to restrict. You can do this by navigating to Pages in your left sidebar, then clicking on the title of the page you want to edit. This will take you directly into the WordPress editor for that page. Now focus your attention on the right-hand sidebar of the editor. It's easy to miss, so if you don't see it, make sure the sidebar is actually expanded. Under Status and Visibility, you'll see a label called Visibility. And right next to it, it probably reads Public, which is WordPress's default for new pages. Click on Public. That little word is actually a clickable setting. When you click Public, a few more options will pop up. Go ahead and select Private. This is WordPress's way of marking the page so that it should only be seen by logged-in users with the right permissions. But before we move ahead, let me share a quick note. Private in WordPress doesn't mean any logged-in user can see this page. By default, only users with the administrator or editor roles are allowed to view private pages. So if your site has subscribers, contributors, or authors, even if they're logged in, they won't see the page. Instead, WordPress will show them a 404-page not found error. It can be a little surprising if you weren't expecting that, so keep it in mind as you decide who needs access. Back to our steps. After you've selected Private, a confirmation prompt will appear, usually saying something like Privately Publish. Go ahead and confirm. You might need to click Update or Publish. If you've made other changes, WordPress will always ask for that final confirmation to make sure you're ready. Give it a moment while WordPress saves, and that's it. Your page is now only visible to administrators and editors. If you want to double-check, you can visit your site while logged in as different users. If you log in as a subscriber, you're going to get a 404 error even though you're authenticated. It's a little like putting a VIP-only sign on a door. The system knows who is allowed in and keeps out everyone else, even if they're technically inside the building. A quick recap before we wrap up. Using WordPress's native private visibility is super fast and easy for internal pages. But remember, it strictly limits access to just admins and editors. If you need to restrict pages for all logged-in users, like regular members or customers, you'll need a plugin or custom code instead. I hope this walkthrough helped clarify the possibilities and limits of WordPress's private page setting. If you have any questions or want to know about more flexible solutions, just drop a comment below. I'd love to help. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more straightforward WordPress tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.